Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to safely and correctly refuel a Suzuki Swift. The new Suzuki hybrid is a mild hybrid. This means it can't be charged from a socket, instead it's charged through recuperation. Let's start with how to open the fuel flap. First, open the door. And under the dashboard, pull this lever. The fuel flap is now open. On the inside of the flap you can find a sticker that shows you which type of fuel you need to use. In this case it's 95, and we also have the E5 and E10 markings. Let's take a look at the fuel dispenser. Here you can see the E5 and E10 markings. These are the fuels you can use for this car. Unscrew the cap. Place it in the designated spot. Take out the nozzle. Put it down and pull the lever. If you want to fill your fuel tank completely to the top, simply flip this small metal latch into place. Thanks to this clever feature, when the car is finally fully refueled, the nozzle will automatically release itself with a click. Next, put the nozzle back. Screw the cap back on until you hear a distinctive click. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe and comment.